My name is Michael Riekoff, and I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial about some basic button transitions. So after opening up Unity, we want to first create a button. And we do that by right-clicking the hierarchy, going to UI and then button. Then we go into 2D view, and we see this button, and there it is. From there, we'll open up animation, and what we'll do is first hit record, and we'll make a new animation, and we'll call this out. From here, we will move the button into a liking of our position, or the position of our liking. We'll put that here, and then from there we will go to about a minute or about a second, and then move the button out of the screen. After we do that, we will stop recording, and we'll go to project, and the animation save. There it is. It's in assets. So it's called out. You click on it, and then you uncheck loop time so it won't loop. From there, what we will do is go into the animator, and inside the animator with the button selected, we have some states. From here, we will copy out, right click anyplace else, and paste. We want to rename this to in. We'll make the speed -1, which means it'll be going backwards. It'll be reversing the order. And then we need to set in as default. We need to create a transition between out and in and out. And we'll also want to create a parameter. We'll make the parameter a boolean, and we'll call this hidden. So from this, what we'll do is we need to click on the transition, and we need to go to conditions, hidden, and then the one from out to in will be false. The one going in to out will be true. Now what we need to do is create some code. So the way that we're going to do that is by right clicking on the bottom, and we want to make sure that you sync MonoDevelop project. Then after that is done, you hit create, and you make some C# script. We will call this UI Manager script. So by calling it UI Manager script, what we need to do is copy the code over and bring up this. Make sure this is open. And there it is. We'll just delete all this code. Replace it with this code, deleting the bullets, which are not needed. And from there, what we will do is save this code and go back to Unity. So go back to Unity. We want to look at the scene, make sure our animation works, which it does. And what we will do next is click on button. Then we need to add a component to the button. You add component and look for UI Manager script. Once you find that, it needs a start button, and this is our button. So we'll drag button over there to that, and then from there, what we need to do is go under on click, hit the plus. We need to drag the start button over into this also. Then we go to the no function, UI Manager script, and open. Then what we're going to do is run now. The button comes on the screen, we click the button, and it goes out of the screen. That's a very brief tutorial about a button transition with a little bit of code. So thank you for watching.